Hi guys, this is your Frank Brownville Candy and welcome back to my channel. Today we have someone new.
Yay! My name is Tiona. Hi guys.
As you can see, setup थोड़ा different है आज. लाइटें आ रही हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है हम अभी बहुत बड़ा नाच करने वाले हैं. ऐसा मतलब करेंगे but बहुत बड़ा नहीं. Okay, so the challenge for today is the hook step challenge. You already know that I am Bollywood freak. I love to dance and so is she. So I was like, why not take up the Bollywood hook step challenge? Okay, so मैंने अपने दोस्तों को और इन्होंने अपने दोस्तों को पूछा दोस्त को और मैंने अपने दोस्तों को पूछा है to suggest us songs so that you know cheating ना हो. I have not looked at the songs. मैंने ऐसे करके screenshot लिया है and I've sent it to Kriti. Shout out to Kriti. Thanks a lot for making the playlist. She's made a Spotify playlist. And अब वो सिर्फ प्ले होंगे. हमने देखे नहीं है सॉन्ग so there's no cheating at all because we don't believe in it. Kind of. Whoever obviously starts the hook step first and it is right gets the point. Okay, and the thing is हम कब से सोच रहे हैं कि हम blank हो जाएंगे, गाना बजता रहेगा, we'll just go blank.
I'm not just thinking it, I'm actually gonna do it. I'm actually gonna go like, oh shit.
So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
No wait.
Oh, just chill. Similar.
I got. Fine. आगे. Next.
Okay, wait, but I got the first point.
Yeah.
1-0. Oh, heavy, लुट गया. Heavy.
No, wait. You can do it properly.
No, I did heavy. लुट गया. I did it first.
There is no way. I started doing it.
I did it first. So I did it first.
I'm not.
The camera has seen it.
Camera has seen it. I was doing this. I was doing it.
ये hook step नहीं है.
That's the starting.
You have to guess what is it? Hook step challenge. I started.
I'm not gonna win this game. Okay, fine.
2-1. So next song.
So I don't even expect myself to do well now. Oh no, I know.
I know the song, but I don't know the step. I know it's मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी, but I don't know the step. हम दोनों हैं अलग, हम दोनों हैं जुदा. Okay, so obviously like हम दोनों को नहीं पता है hook step, तो हम दोनों सर्च करके वो करने वाले हैं. Love how we were like we know the song but we don't know the step.
I'm guessing it's like switching legs or something. It's Akshay Kumar and Saif Ali Khan. So that's
Is this step?
I don't even know. Leg stuff.
Oh my god! This, are you kidding me? This.
1 second. Did I not do something similar to that?
You did this.
What? Isn't that
ओके चलो हाँ. ये जज हमारा जज बहुत बायस्ड है क्योंकि मैं इसकी बहन हूँ तो ये इसको पॉइंट दे रहा है.
कुछ है नहीं मैं.
वही ना, वो मेरे को भी उतनी गाली देता है.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स. So she gets half a point. ठीक है. चल छैया चल
No, I'm not good. No. I'm sorry. Can't. Fine.
I got the next song. Go Govinda.
I can't even think. She won't even give me 2 seconds to think. Remember?
I get the point. Whatever the step is,
I
ऐसे ही है.
can't compete. I'm not even gonna go.
It's this. It's जीने के है 4 दिन. जाए 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 जाए.
How I'm not gonna win this game. I'm gonna lose terribly.
Yeah, I think that is actually a normal thing. No one has asked
No,
me
I
to
should.
compare.
बाकी है बेकार दिन. जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए. Song, next song.
My friend is gonna be so disappointed with me.
It's 1 2 3.
हाँ. This हाँ.
अनारकली डिस्को चली. तुझको मैं चीरे खल पर. I got it. Next song.
No, please.
चलो इश्क लड़ाई चलो इश्क लड़ाई चलो.
We did this yesterday.
I know, we literally did yesterday.
That's right.
At this point, I don't even know what the
Yeah.
score is.
I don't think we
But
should.
I've got all the points except.
Just for morale purposes.
So आगे बढ़ा गाने.
Next one.
हाँ, so
Sorry, the next
Sony. No, okay, Papa Vijay who can be. Oh, जाने who can.
I don't remember why I'm blanking. Oh no.
Tana.
I did it. Yes. I did it. It's Dhoom Machale.
Not this.
Arey, that's the word. Dhoom Machale. I get.
Dhoom Machale. Oh, this Jalwa. It's Jalwa. तेरा यहाँ भी होगा जलवा.
क्या celebration! क्या nice try.
Fine.
Song incoming.
I have no idea already.
Please. Why do I feel like I know this?
I don't know this song at all. Why does it look like a Shammi Kapoor song?
Yeah.
I have no idea. Oh! तेरा पिया घर आया हो राम जी.
I did this.
No. It's this. First is मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी. मेरा पिया. Second one is this. Okay, I think we both get a point because first
Okay,
one
fine.
is like
Yeah,
this
yeah,
and the other one is like this.
Oh, I know.
Oh, मुझसे शादी करोगी? Is it this?
It's not Mustafa.
It's मुझसे शादी करोगी? जवानी छुपा.
हाँ.
I don't know the hook step, but I know it's मुझसे शादी करोगी. See?
Yeah.
ये सब ढन क्यों चालू होते हैं? ओ तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
I just did the Govinda step. It's
एक
okay.
गोविंदा नहीं है इसमें. अक्षय कुमार है. अक्षय कुमार रवीना टंडन.
Sorry.
I don't know the step. Is it like चीज बड़ी है मस्त? Something like this.
I don't know any of the steps.
I know the song. I know the actors.
उसके हक पॉइंट लेने वो भी ले ले.
नहीं. But I'm winning now. I know this. एक दिल चीज़ है तुझे दे दी.
हाँ.
I don't know the hook step. I know the song. I don't know the hook step. Is it दे दी दिल चीज़ है तुझे दे. Something like that. तो आगे play कर.
Oh, sorry.
No, let me think, please.
शाम सवेरे
I
पहुंच
can't
जा.
I'm gonna die.
And then just something like this. थोड़ा आगे कर.
I know every step of this song. I can't believe she's just too quick. It's not like I'm bad at this. I'm good at this, but she's too quick.
Okay, so I just checked. सारे गाने हो गए हैं. एक बज रहा था उसमें हम दोनों को पता चल गया what song it is, तो cheating हो गई. So there's this one song that I saw गलती से and I know कि it was there. So I'm just gonna play it ऐसे time pass के लिए for the end. And then
she's gonna see if I know that song.
हाँ, because it's my favorite actor का song, so I'm like ये तो मुझे play करना ही पड़ेगा.
So it's Akshay Kumar's song?
No.
Ranveer Singh song?
No, the other one.
Yeah, Varun Dhawan.
हाँ, उसका song है, so I just want to play it.
Okay, I might know this if it's Varun. Yeah. This is Judwa 2, right?
हाँ.
I cannot know.
कुछ करो आज कुछ करो सुनो गणपति बप्पा मोरया परेशान करे मुझे छोड़
I just played it क्योंकि वरुण धवन का song है. But with that, we do end this video.
Yeah, please end it.
There has been song जिसका हमको song का नाम हम सब पता है लेकिन
Yeah.
hook step नहीं आता, like मुझसे शादी करोगी मुझे नहीं
See,
आता.
I blanked out completely. I'm not that bad at this.
Clearly I won, so
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching us just kudoing around everywhere, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon, next week.
Yeah.
I will see you soon. Until then, take care, stay safe and
Bye.